Hundreds of men and women just like you right here in Will County are seeking to improve their lives with new or better jobs. Finding and keeping the more rewarding and higher paying jobs takes work. There are certain steps you have to take. Today, we'll take a closer look at how you can step up your employment success. Each individual looking for work has a different experience. What's your job search story?
I'd love to change jobs, but I don't have the time or the money.
I've gone from dead-end job to dead-end job.
I stayed home to take care of the kids. Now I don't have the skills that employers want.
I keep applying and doing interviews, but I haven't found the job I want yet.
I don't want a desk job anymore, but I don't have the skills that employers are looking for.
The plant where I was working closed, and now I'm struggling finding a job.
I wasn't very focused in school when I was younger, and now I'm stuck with low-paying jobs.
Finding jobs that feel rewarding and offer good pay and benefits can be tough. It takes work to get work. To find the job that suits you best, explore skill requirements of in-demand jobs you are interested in. Get coaching from a job placement professional. Build your job-related skills. Prepare to meet employers by developing your resume and preparing for interviews. Seek out possible employers. Identify the specific steps you need to take and take them. Right now is a very good time to be living and working in Will County. Our area is experiencing tremendous growth. In fact, Will County is #1 in population growth of all Illinois counties and the 33rd fastest growing county in the United States. Will County also has tremendous job opportunities right here. Will County is #8 in the U.S. in employment growth last year. Just look around at all the construction of all kinds. Businesses are growing. Projections expect the growth to continue all the way to at least 2030. In the coming years, some of the best work opportunities in Will County will be in manufacturing, construction, healthcare, transportation, warehousing, and logistics. As we move further into the 21st century, the use of technology at work will become increasingly important. Jobs that formerly needed little or no skill training now often require computer and math skills. While there are still many good jobs available for people with a variety of different skills, the higher paying jobs often require technical skills. Workers today need to work effectively with technology to solve problems and maintain high quality standards. Getting the right training is one of the most critical keys to success. Depending on the job, you can boost your income with anywhere from 2 months of training to 4 or more years of college. In Will County, many higher paying jobs, earning $20 or more per hour, require technical training of 1 to 2 years. We're fortunate that there are several colleges, trade schools, and apprenticeship programs offering a wide variety of education and training right in our area. Combine education and training with the right basic skills and you dramatically increase your opportunities and the level of your success.
Okay, I got it. What are the jobs? Who are they for? What do they pay?
No problem. Manufacturing jobs are not what they used to be. Low-skilled and low-paid workers doing mindless repetitive tasks on an assembly line are a thing of the past. Today, high-tech processes and automation are the key to success in manufacturing. More and more of the mindless repetitive jobs are being given to robots, and people are being asked to think and respond, to learn to operate and manage new equipment in a way that increases efficiency. Increased competition from foreign markets and customer demands for quality also mean that production standards are always being raised. Companies know success depends on their employees' ability to be flexible, good problem solvers, and willing to learn. Now is a great time to pursue skilled manufacturing jobs because manufacturers expect that many of the experienced workers will retire in the next 5 years, causing a shortage. In the Will County area, employers will be looking for electrical engineering technicians, welders, machinists, maintenance and repair technicians. Wages for manufacturing jobs begin at $12 per hour and can require on-the-job or less than 2 years of professional training. Caterpillar, a well-known manufacturer in the Chicago area, is one of the world's leading manufacturers of construction and mining equipment, diesel and natural gas engines, and industrial gas turbines.
Manufacturing is changing, and what it's like at Caterpillar is a lot cleaner and neater and more organized than I think people envision it to be. The most general things that we're looking for from the people that we hire are high work standards, people that have very good attendance, people that are willing to learn and have the ability to learn things, because we realize not everyone knows how to machine or assemble things, so we'll teach you. If you are looking to be a machinist or in one of the skilled trades, I would recommend that you go to a community college, because it won't only help you at Caterpillar but for other manufacturers. In order to gain a position at Caterpillar to be an assembly worker or a machinist, there is a test that you have to take, and you have to have some math skills, because that will be part of the testing. There will be some mechanical aptitude types of things that you'll have to take. And all of the testing now is on computers. One of the questions that we ask on the application is, do you have any convictions? Have you ever been discharged from an employer? So if you have those types of things in your background, be sure to answer those honestly and truthfully. The steps to success that I think is making sure that you identify your strengths, you know what your strengths are, and that you're able to market that to an employer. So you have your resume down, you know what your strengths are, you walk in on the interview, you know what you can do, and you just sell that, and you're persistent about it. You keep coming back to what you're good at, and you make sure you sell that to the interviewer.
Manufacturing jobs today are not at all what I expected them to be. Being a machine operator could be rewarding and challenging.
I know construction involves building houses and businesses, but what about building roads and moving dirt around?
Just look around and you'll see construction of many different kinds: homes, businesses, factories, transportation centers, and roadways. Construction of the I-355 extension is helping to bring record numbers of people and jobs to Will County. Construction offers many different kinds of opportunities for both men and women, with wages beginning at $15 per hour. Employers will be looking for carpenters, electricians, plumbers and pipe fitters, cement masons and concrete finishers, and heavy equipment operators. Better yet, construction jobs are expected to grow by 15% in the coming years. The Operating Engineers Local 150 offers training to apprentice construction engineers and protects the interest of construction trade workers in the Will County area.
The construction industry is a growth market. It increases every year. We expect that trend will continue. The trade will grow with technology changing coming in the future. We expect more computerized control operations. One of them is GPS system in our excavating equipment. Computerized crane controls and safety features. Computer functions are a big part of the operating mechanisms of all of our equipment. The construction industry is a growing field, and there's consistently new opportunities for men and women to come into the apprenticeships, to learn a trade with a good paying wage and benefit package. The apprentices work at the trade, so they get a multiple of different types of training and skill sets that they pick up on the job sites, in the classrooms, and at the training site on equipment. If people today were interested in the building and construction trades, I would encourage them to make applications with the apprenticeships and to start their careers.
Everywhere I look, I see new construction. An apprenticeship would be a great way to go.
I like the idea of working in healthcare. I know there are many different types of jobs, but I just have no idea what they are.
As our population grows older, healthcare becomes an area where qualified employees are greatly needed. Healthcare providers all over the area are already experiencing labor shortages. While there are many healthcare careers to consider, in the Will County area, employers are in great need of registered nurses, licensed practical nurses, therapists, medical records staff, certified nursing assistants, and medical secretaries. Given the anticipated shortage in healthcare workers, it is possible that many healthcare wages will increase at a rate higher than other careers. Adventist Bolingbrook Hospital began as the Bolingbrook Medical Center and was Illinois' first freestanding emergency center. The Adventist Health System serves the community through hospitals, home health care agencies, and long-term care facilities.
Well, a hospital offers all jobs. It's really like a city within a city. So in the hospital, we have a number of positions available, a lot of which do not have a specific degree requirement. For example, our positions in housekeeping and food services and registration and maintenance, looking for qualified individuals, but positions that are easy to get into with limited educational experience. And then from there, going all the way up the spectrum, we have positions that require 2-year certificates or 3-year certificates that are provided locally through some of the colleges. A lot of those in radiology, and then jobs in the laboratory. Those are medical assistants or medical technicians, and jobs in medical records. In medical records, there are coders and transcriptionists that don't require a 4-year degree. Unit secretary is a perfect starting point. Another starting point would be registration. These are jobs that don't require a specific degree. A degree helps, but it's an easy place to get your feet in and to grow from there. You can move that into any number of technical positions or even a nursing position and keep kind of working your way into a more specialized area. The healthcare industry is focusing, and our hospital is focusing a lot on quality. So we're looking for detail-oriented people that do their job and do it well. And the second thing is communication. All of our patients come to us, need things explained to them and communicated and done in a soft manner, but done in an exact manner. You really have to look the part and know the part. So you're going to want to prepare and dress up well for the interview, look very professional, know the part and look the part, wear your best suit, wear your best clothing in that interview.
I never realized there were so many different jobs in healthcare and that I could become a technician if I took a certification program.
I have a friend who started working at a transportation, warehousing, and logistics company, and she loves her job because she's always working on a different project. There's always something new.
When most people think of transportation, warehousing, and logistics careers, what first comes to mind is the lower paid materials handling jobs that are usually taken by younger or lesser skilled workers. The reality is that the range of workers needed in transportation, warehousing, and logistics is much more diverse and requires a variety of skills. What's even more exciting is projections show that in the next 7 years, the number of jobs in transportation, distribution, and logistics will double. In fact, the Chicago metropolitan area is the 3rd largest container port in the world. The Will County area is emerging as a global transportation center. If you like a fast-paced work environment with the possibility of quick advancement, these careers could be for you. There's great demand for truck drivers, sales and customer service representatives, hand packers and packagers, supervisors, freight and stock movers. Transportation, warehousing, and logistics jobs begin at $10 per hour, with room for advancement. Because so few people are aware of these jobs, they are super opportunities. DSC Logistics and Supply Chain Management works with customers to meet their ever-changing needs and strives to respond quickly to what the customer wants.
I've seen all sides of the logistics field, from working from a retailer to a manufacturer, and third party is what I like the best. And the reason why is it's dynamic. It changes every day. You work with different people every day. Your customers are always expecting something new of you every day, and you have to rise to the occasion no matter what challenge is thrown at you. Logistics covers a wide range of jobs these days. A lot of people see these big concrete boxes as they drive down the interstates and wonder what happens inside. Within a warehouse alone, there's a number of different jobs. The primary job, and usually the majority of the job, is forklift operators. Those forklift operators can unload trucks, put away product, pick orders, which is a majority of the job, and then loading trucks. So that's one job. Another job we have is customer service reps. We also have clerks. And lastly, we have a lot of supervisory jobs where it's a manager who's working hand in hand with forklift operators and customer service reps. The predominant position we're hiring for is forklift operators, but whether it's a forklift operator or a supervisor, I'm looking for people who are going to be on time and dependable. I'm looking for people who are going to come to work with a good attitude, work safely, and have a presence about them that means that they are adding value to the process. The next 5 to 10 years in logistics are going to be absolutely critical. There's going to be a shortage of truck drivers. which we're all very aware of. But the other thing is that with more goods being imported, there are going to be more warehouses built, and we're going to need more and more skilled forklift operators, managers, all of the employees that will make up a facility. But ultimately, it's a fun environment. We have a good time. We're stressed a lot, but our customers demand that of us. But we have a lot of fun moving boxes around.
I would like to work in a warehouse. Driving a forklift would suit me fine.
Tell me what I need to do.
What were those steps you were talking about earlier?
We just learned about some of the job requirements in different areas you might be interested in. Next, meet with a career professional to get feedback about what jobs might be right for you. There are several resources available to you. To find current resources, visit your local workforce partner. In the Will County area, the workforce partners available to help you include Illinois Department of Employment Security in Joliet or Bolingbrook, Illinois Department of Human Services, Joliet Job Corps, Joliet Junior College, Workforce Services Division of Will County. When thinking about building your job-related skills, remember, it's most important to get the right training for the job you're seeking. Career counselors can help you identify colleges, trade schools, and apprentice programs in the area that'll help you find the exact education and training you'll need. Career counselors can also help you increase the chance that you'll be invited for an interview by helping you prepare your resume. They can also help you practice your interviewing skills so that when you do get a chance to meet employers, you can be sure you're presenting yourself in the best light possible. Today, finding job opportunities is done using many methods. In addition to local papers, numerous web-based sources allow you to search for a variety of openings in your area. Of course, after contacting employers, be sure to follow up. Here you stand, at the beginning of your own set of employment success steps. You'll fill in the gap with success steps of your own. In the end, it's all about the steps you take, or don't take. The choice is yours. What steps will you take?